most unexpected finding or challenge I've found is putting together the methodology. In the first class I took, it was kind of simple to just put the words on paper. And in this class, actually doing the things that I said I'd do was kind of harder than I thought it'd be because I had to actually do it. The advice I would give to a graduate just starting a project would be to just go for it. Before I started my project, I didn't have a project to begin with. As I went through my first class, the Res 3399, I just put one together as I learned what research was really about and how to truly further an idea into something bigger than it is.